The power of first step. John stood at the edge of the forest, with his sketchboard. He had always dreamed of drawing the woods, but the thought of stepping into the unknown frightened him. What if he got lost? What if his drawing is not good enough? As he hesitated, a small bird landed near his feet, chirping happily. It hopped a few steps forward, then looked back as if waiting of him. John smiled. If the bird is not afraid, why should I be? He thought. Taking a deep breath, John took his first step into the forest. At first, his heart raced, but soon he noticed the vibrant greens, the whispering tree and the sunlight streaming through the branches. Inspiration flowed, and he began to sketch. By the time he emerged, John felt alive and proud. He realized the hardest part was not walking through the forest. It was taking that first step. Moral of the story is the first step may feel scary, but it opens the door to growth, discovery and joy. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.